Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I don't think he in the car though. Oh, he definitely is in the car.
Back in the day, I'm tight, Sam, I drop my off, I'm tryna go spin it, tryna go play. Spin the cane butt on the butt, that butt, tryna run some drink, but couldn't get away. I tryna load, I keep swerving, I did drink, they perk, got me out of space. Rock, rock.
Alright, y'all boys, man, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little smooth POV once again. We got my Scat pack, but something different. You feel me? As y'all can see, I took the hood off. Not gonna lie, in the short amount of time that I've drove it, all I heard was the intake. It sounded crazy. But yeah, this is my first time taking the hood off of this car for real. It looked beautiful, I ain't gonna lie. I was thinking about going demon hood on this car, but I might wait till I get a wide body. But yeah, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Tell me my op, let's meet over east in the trenches so we can try to kill each other. Little bitch, she a freak and she said she wanna fuck me cause she know I'm a bloody brother. It's me and Lil Jel 2 D4.
Sound beautiful, boy. Driving with no hood is crazy. Like, if you drive Chargers, you know, like the little hood scoop, the little hood vent thing, it's like a little mountain right here, bruh. So without that, it feels funny. I feel like I'm driving a different car. These folks don't go, man. It's crazy. I don't even gotta be all the way down on the gas for it to get this loud. That's crazy to me. That's just crazy, man. Motherfucker ready to attack, boy. Motherfucker like a shark. He's gonna bite your ass. Man, it's so unbelievably hot outside too. It don't make no type of sense at all. I'm so glad I don't work outside, man. I don't know how people doing it. Shout out to them folks though. Bro, if you don't hit the gas, bro, what's going on? People be forgetting that you gotta pick up speed on a ramp. Like, that's the whole purpose of a merging lane. You feel me? Let me loose. Let me loose on a fuck nigga. Let me loose. Just for me to have to get right back on this ramp. Hungry as hell, yo. hate this specific part of 77. Y'all live in Charlotte, y'all know what I'm talking about. Like this part right here, it's nothing but traffic every time. Then it just clear up. Just like how I said in one of my other videos. Nothing but traffic, bro. It don't matter what time of day it is. This part always gonna have some traffic. Oh, there go another Scat right there. Oh, he got like the Scat logo on the side of the car. I ain't never seen that before, I ain't gonna lie. He on my ass now. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to hear it on the video because of like the camera mic, but it's like every time I slightly press the pedal, I hear nothing but that intake. I like that sound. I can just hear it sucking in. Pause. That Scat's still behind me too. This nigga wildin'. This nigga wildin'. This nigga just went all the way around every lane. This nigga went on the shoulder. This nigga is wildin', bro. I probably should have done the same thing in hindsight, but hey, shit. It is what it is. Red C7 right there. These vet owners don't be having no tint, man. Slow my ass down, boy. This road terrible. Shit, there go 12 right there. I don't think he in the car though. Oh, he definitely is in the car. Well, yeah, like I said earlier, I ain't never had this food spot before, so we gonna see how good it is for real. Here go the food spot right here. Gonna see what they talking about. Oh, I forgot to place my order. I'm so dumb. Oh, shit. Make sure little buddy got enough space. Look at this Mustang parked in front of me.
Chop, give me tummy touch. Now you look like Bam Man. Pop an egg, see a bitch start to swim, feel like can. The shit I stuffed inside this black mouth. You want to try this shit to 24 line of trick. She ran that nigga down the bitch.
Alright, as y'all can see, we got the food now. Let me show y'all real quick. This shit looks so good, man. I can't wait to eat this shit. I definitely forgot to ask for ketchup packets, but it is what it is. I got some at the crib. I'm scared to get lowered because there's a lot of spots like this where it's just like a dip when you leaving. That shit gonna fuck me up, bro. I'm gonna forget that I'm lowered. I gotta be careful. I remember there was a cop down there. He was sitting there chilling, waiting to catch a nigga. Downshift sound like, ooh. Downshift sound like something crazy, boy. Bruh, see, bruh, I don't like these little skinny ass roads. Not only do there be potholes, but it be niggas that can't keep their car in one lane. That's a terrible combo. Bruh, it's so damn hot, man. You just gotta know I'm gonna remind you that it's hot. I love playing with that pedal, boy. Time to get off the exit. These downshifts, man, they don't get old. I love this shit. I don't know what that is, but I don't think that's something crazy in the road. Y'all lucky. Y'all lucky the boy doing construction, man. I would've fucked this tunnel up, boy. Pull up calm, not trim, because 12 be at this gas station a lot. But shit, alright, y'all boys, man. My parking job was ass. What the fuck? Make sure y'all boys subscribe. Make sure y'all tap in with my Instagram. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.